How to add image or video to a tracked surface with Planar Tracker in DaVinci Resolve. I will insert my clip in the timeline. Then go to the Fusion tab. Press Shift plus space and type Planar Tracker. Place the playhead to the frame 130 and press Set. This will place a reference point to track the area from the clip. Then mark with the cursor area that you want to track. Start tracking forward. And backwards. From the operational mode dropdown, from track, change it to corner pin. Now adjust the area that your media will be placed in. I will adjust mine so it will be close to 90 degrees angle reference to the brick wall. Press Show Grid checkbox to check grid perspective if it's right or need to track again. I think mine is fine. Add my logo that will stick to the wall. Unfortunately, it has black background, so let's fix that. Press Shift plus space and search for Delta Keyer. To remove black background, I need to select the black color for background color and reference. To be more precise, go to Matte tab, then adjust the threshold low. Adjust Erode and Delay to 0.00012. Now, check again if logo perspective is correct, also compared with the grid. Remove the grid. Change Apply mode to Overlay. Now we need to adjust the logo to look more like sprayed on the wall. Select Delta Keyer node and add color correction node. Set saturation to 0.75 and gain to 1.25. Add blur node and set blur size to 6.3. I will add and transform node to adjust the position. And voila! We have great area tracking and a sprayed logo on a brick wall.